Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We divide by s to the power of 3 on numerator and denominator. So we will have like this: s to the power of 3 divided by s to the power of 3, we have number 1. S squared divided by this one, we have 1 over s. And similar for the next one. This one, we have 6 plus 3 over s squared minus 5 over s to the power of 3. When s approaches to positive infinity, this one divide by positive infinity, you got number 0. Similar for this one, and this one. And now we have the final answer. And we have 1 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.